Hello dear friends, this is Apple Fruit channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to copy the link to the story on Instagram. If you've posted a story, by clicking here you'll see that there is no share button for the story. So how do you copy it? It's very simple. To do that you need to go to a second account or ask a friend to go to your page. When you access your profile from another account, click on your story. At the top, click on the three dots and you click on copy link. Now you can send it out. So that's a great way to copy the link to your story on Instagram. It's a very easy way to do it. Just go to another account or ask a friend to do it. This was the Apple Fruit channel. Like and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.